So this is the final lab for the DC circuit. Um, this circuit simply consists of two circuits. So we have one which is consists of the 55 IC timer, and another one which is consists of the shift register. So here is the 55 timer. So this simply create the pulse so that the shift register can use to light up the LEDs which are here. All these 8 LEDs in series, like one after the other, when this push button is pressed. So the 55 timer create the pulse, which we can see with the green light. The green light is blinking, which is telling us that the 55 timer is currently producing the pulse. And if I press the button, then if I press this button, then the shift register is going to get those pulse from the IC, receive the pulse from the IC, and use it in order to create the output. So in total, we're gonna have like eight output, which is correspond to the 8-bit input that we are receiving. So we'll be getting one pulse after the other when the button is pressed. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. As you can see, the pulse is received and is turned off. So when I press the pulse, we receive the pulse, and after a few moments, then it's going to turn off. So this is telling us that that once the push button is pressed, then the shift register is going to shift all the bits. It's going to read those inputs and shift them into the memory. And once the shifting is happening, then the lighting will be corresponding to that shift. So the light is relighting according to the shift, and the speed of this LED will depend on the amount of light that is emitted on the amount of light that you receive by the photoresistor, which is right here. That's why you can see the pulse is really accelerated. It's fast because we're receiving a good amount of light. So if I block the light, you can see the LED is blinking slower than before. This is to say that the photoresistor, the resistance of the photoresistor increases, and now we are receiving a very slow impulse. And therefore, if also I press the button, this impulse also will be slower, as you can see here. So if I press the push button, so you can see the pulse also is gonna go slower depending on the amount of light we're receiving. So as you can see, so this is the overall functionality of the circuit. As you can see, as the amount of light increases, the circuit also works just fine. The LED blink faster, and the entire cycle is also going fast as well when the push button is pressed. So this is the circuit for the final lab, and this was how it works, and this is how it works.